Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's vlog is just going to be a get ready with me, and because we're packing, we're packing today. Not that we're leaving this week, we have like about 5 more days, another week, but I'm packing today because we're technically not coming back home. We will be leaving from my father-in-law's house. We're going to be staying there like last time. We stay there because he's just closer to the airport and we live quite far, and we don't want to take that chance of driving all the way to the airport and then having to go through the whole custom in the morning with the 2 kids, and because we're gonna have to give ourselves a lot of time, so it's just an inconvenience. So we always choose, whenever we are traveling, we always decide to go by his house, stay there, and then the following day or whatever, however many days we are there for, we decide to leave from there, and whenever we come back from there. It's also convenient for us just to leave the car with him. He picks us up, he just brings us back. So today is gonna be a pack with me, get ready with me. I'm really attempting this vlogmas situation, but I have it on my own schedule. I'm not doing it every day because it is hectic, it's tiring. I had a jam-packed day yesterday trying to get my hair done. I did it, and my cousin helped me. I went by my aunt yesterday, and I was able to. This is the braids that I did. She helped me part it, and I just continued with the braid just so that it goes a little bit faster. So this is pretty much the video for today. It's just gonna be a get ready with me as usual, figuring out what we're wearing and stuff like that. So this is the length of the hair. Oh my goodness, I'm actually in my bathroom right now. The lighting on this window is actually very nice for vlogging sakes. You don't have to have all the lights on, so YouTubers know that lifestyle. So anyways, guys, we're gonna get started. There's gonna be a little bit cleaning, but before that, I'm probably gonna go out first.
So I decided to make a quick stop and just to get my eyebrows done, and then back home to tackle the major task of packing. So I'm gonna pack like last time. I'm gonna pack 2 set of baggages. The first one is specifically for our trip for Jamaica, and the other one is just so that we can go to Grandpa's house. We're gonna be staying there as well for almost about 2 weeks, so a little bit about 4 days, and before when we're leaving, and then after when we come back, we're also going to be there for some time, and then after that we're going to be coming back home. So we're just going to be away from home for a little bit under a month. Yes. So leading up to packing here, the bag that was right there, as you can see, was already pre-packed, but that was when all the stuff that I was purchasing and washing, little things like shirts and dresses, the new stuff for the kids, I had just pre-prepped it and shoved it in the bag. So now I'm ready to actually organize it and set it all in order. So we have an idea of what's going to be on the itinerary for all the days that we're going to be there. Some of the things that we want to do, where we want to visit, and all that good stuff. So let me know in the comments down below. Drop down a comment down below. Let me know if you want me to give you guys another video of kind of like the detailed itinerary plan of kind of like what we want to do when we are down there, when we're going to be visiting. So we're going to be staying in Kingston. So let me know if you guys want me to make a video of some of the places that we're going to be visiting and things like that. And just to give you guys an idea of where we're going to be going. Jeremiah was so done with me. He wanted out of that crib but that was the only way I could get things done. I had to put them in there. Anyhow, we are finally wrapping up this packing. In the kitchen, there wasn't much to do, but just wrapping up because I had meal prepped. And so we were eating the whole week. We were eating things that I had already cooked, a lot of heating up, warming up food. So there wasn't like a lot of dishes. So I didn't need to put anything in a dishwasher. So I just hand washed some of the little stuff that was left over, tucked it away, and we was good to go. It was really easy and smooth early morning when we had to leave. Getting your kids involved is super important. My daughter loves to help me sort the forks and the spoons, so I just give it to her. She's in there in the kitchen with me, and we're getting it done. Nothing beats a clean home after coming back from the holidays. Thank you so much for watching and sticking around with us, and I will see you all in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on your notification bell. You will be notified on the next video. Have a good one. Bye-bye.